What if you could develop your skills directly alongside the people who put them into practice every single day? In Beaumont-le-Roger, we've created a dedicated training facility that places you right at the center of our industrial operations, fully immersed in real-life conditions. Here, nothing is theoretical or detached. We move from the classroom to the workshop in seconds to test, observe, and understand directly on our machines. It's a simple, efficient, and welcoming environment designed for truly effective learning. And what truly sets us apart? The people who train you. Schneider Electric experts, those who face quality, performance, and safety challenges every day, are the ones guiding you. Trained in modern teaching techniques, they share their expertise with strong pedagogical skills, patience, and a genuine passion for their work. With us, learning is serious, but always carried out in a positive and supportive atmosphere. Our courses help you build competencies in the following areas: plastics processing adjustment, stamping adjustment, stamping tools, technical drawing interpretation, robotics setter level. In every course, quality is embedded in the professional approach. The goal is straightforward: to make you reliable, confident, and fully operational as soon as you take on or return to operational responsibilities. Because tomorrow's skills start taking shape today, with you. Find all our training courses in Schneider Electric's internal My Learning Link catalog.